Today's capital flow still spells mind clearly immaterial at 23%, intelligence at 48%, network at 14%, and diversity at 14%. That spelling is the measurement layer. The question is whether the flow distributes or concentrates. Conscience score sits at 25 out of 100, firmly in the concentrating zone. That number tells you the system's immune response is weak. The oligarchy is not forming, it is formed. Intelligence alone captured 48% of signal flow this week, nearly half the total, while network sits just 14% but concentrating fast. When one channel dominates this cleanly, diversity of thought narrows before anyone names the problem. 3 moves: fund open inference protocols because network is underweighted, back distributed builders because 14% diversity is dangerously thin, and reduce intelligence-heavy positions, 48% is crowded, not early. Now the Cure protocol gets the freshness pass. The updated Public Hope API shows 21,148 active clinical trials across 15 disease frontiers, with 373 Cure research signals indexed and 20 language access. The Mind Pulse still shows 57% average progress, 9 reached patient outcomes, and 5 items in trials. So today we do not just repeat yesterday's mover list. We check the newest research stream and ask what is helping real people next. Fresh Cure signal, antibiotic resistance. The detail: researchers using Discern, a genome mining tool developed to combine multiple measures of biosynthetic similarity, identified a previously silent gene cluster that produces discomycin A, a new antibiotic candidate. The hopeful read: antibiotic discovery is shifting from blind chemistry to model-guided molecule design. Fresh Cure signal, protein systems. The detail: researchers behind AlphaGEM report a new toolbox that combines proteome-scale structural alignment, protein language models, and deep learning-based dark metabolism mining to build higher-quality genome scale. The hopeful read: opaque biology becomes engineerable when AI helps map structure, motion, and mechanism. Fresh Cure signal, drug repurposing. The detail: Merck announced that the FDA has approved LIPFENDRA, enlicitide, the first once-daily oral PCSK9 inhibitor, to lower LDL-C in adults with hypercholesterol, in COI-IF lipids and COI-IF HeFH, it reduced. The hopeful read: the Cure stack is moving from research signal to patient-facing engineering.